So this is the way I enjoy the habitat at night. There are 2 different pots burning here. They're genuine clay, obviously, because they're capable of handling the high heat of these little fires. The fires that you see burning are burning herbs that I have all over the yard. I cut them, dry them, and then use leftover candle wax to coat them, and then a little bit of twine or something works to catch it on fire. They can just sit here, burn, and you have hardly any ash, but it's like a nice fire. Have a great night.